was definitely the highlight of Sesame Cookie's life. It all happened in just a short moment on her way to work. She caught a thief and, just like that, met someone special. But covered in sesame seeds and full of freckles, she had always felt insecure. After returning the stolen wallet to Miss Cookie, she turned to leave, wanting to escape the situation. But unexpectedly, Miss Cookie called out to her. Miss Cookie wanted to invite her out for afternoon tea. Hearing that, Sesame Cookie was overjoyed. Wanting to seize this rare opportunity, she rushed online to look for help. Eventually, through the recommendation of a kind stranger, Sesame Cookie learned about the legendary stylist, Tony. So she hurried straight to his salon. Just as the story said, Tony took one look at her and said it was no big deal. But when Sesame Cookie showed him the hairstyle she wanted, Tony immediately turned her down because it was simply too hard, impossible for any human to do. Sesame Cookie was about to give up in despair when Tony suddenly stopped her. Turning her into someone else, he couldn't do that, but making Sesame Cookie the best version of herself. That, he said, was totally possible. Hearing this, Sesame Cookie lit up with hope. Tony started by using tweezers to pluck each sesame seed off her face. Even though it hurt like crazy, Sesame Cookie gritted her teeth. She had to endure it, all for love. But the process was too slow, so Tony pulled out his secret weapon, a face mask used by only the hottest guys. He slapped it on her face layer by layer. Then with one strong yank, he pulled it off in one go. It was a painful journey, but the results were amazing. Looking at her smooth reflection in the mirror, Sesame Cookie was thrilled beyond words. Next, Tony poured whipped cream all over her head, then sprinkled grainy toppings on top. Just like that, a brand new cookie heartthrob was born. Right after the transformation, Sesame Cookie rushed to the cafe. She only had 15 minutes. After that, the sesame seeds would start growing back. On the way, she saw a little girl crying. Being kind-hearted, she stopped to help. Turns out, the girl's balloon was stuck in a tree. Without hesitation, Sesame Cookie climbed up to get it. She managed to get the balloon back, but messed up her hair in the process. Still, she didn't think twice. Breathless and flustered, she dashed to the cafe. Just as she reached for the door, she noticed an elderly lady struggling to push a heavy cart. It was dangerous. Sesame Cookie didn't hesitate. She ran over to help. Although she made it to the cafe on time, her sesame seeds had started growing back. Feeling embarrassed and insecure, she hid off to the side, planning to leave. But just then, Miss Cookie came chasing out after her. "Why did you come all the way here, only to walk away?" she asked. Sesame Cookie fumbled for words. She explained her fear of being seen with her sesame-covered face. But to her surprise, Miss Cookie didn't mind at all. In fact, she gently took Sesame Cookie by the arm. Because everything Sesame Cookie had done, Miss Cookie had seen it all. And to her, the kindness in one's heart was far more attractive than any handsome face. This story teaches us something important. Just focus on being kind. Leave the rest to time. Good things will always find their way to you.